Our project title is Automated Traffic Light Control using 8051 Microcontroller. First, let us see the main problems faced. That is, handling 4-point road crossing is a difficult process because due to huge population and more number of vehicles, it is difficult to handle a 4-point or a matter of fact any traffic signals. Also, there is a huge problem and a conflict arises for pedestrians while crossing lanes. This is especially a huge problem and can cause serious accidents which should be avoided. So, our main goal and objectives in order to do this project is to implement methods to manage traffic in appropriate lanes and to prevent traffic collisions, accidents, and to allocate timings exclusively for pedestrians to cross lanes. So our project description is to automate the function of traffic lights using 8051 microcontroller and digitalizing this process in order to reduce the human dependency. Also by implementing counters at equal intervals. Let us now see the components used in this project. It is 8051, mainly 8051 microcontroller is used, LED display is used, and for traffic signals we are using red, yellow and green special purpose LEDs and appropriate wires. Let us see about 8051 microcontroller. It is mainly called as Intel MCS51. It is a single chip microcontroller which is developed by Intel in 1980s and it is mainly used for embedded system. As you can see from the diagram, it is a 40 pin microcontroller and it has 4 ports and several input output ports as well. Here you can see this is the circuit diagram of our project and which is implemented in Proteus software, simulation software. Here you can see this is the 8051 microcontroller. Several LED displays are placed along with the traffic signals indicating the green, yellow and red LEDs and basically this is a simulation software where we can build our project before implementing it in the hardware in order to see whether our project is working perfectly. Since we use a 8051 microcontroller, a program has to be dumped into this microcontroller so that it performs the actions which we want to. This is the code which is implemented and programmed into 8051 microcontroller. You can see that this is the program written and is dumped into 8051. So before I simulate this project, let me first explain the arrangement. So consider this as a 4-lane road. As consider this 8051 microcontroller as the center and 4 lanes road connecting, and these are the traffic signals for this one, two, numbering this as 1, 2, 3, and 4. So initially when I hit the run button, first the lane 1 is green for 10 seconds. After that, let me hit the run. So 10 seconds and then it moves on clockwise direction. So the next signal green is provided to the right hand side and then to the third lane and finally to the fourth lane. So we can see now it is turned green to the right and yellow for the next one so that they will be getting the signal and finally for the fourth one. So after each interval you can see that there is a 10-second green light for a particular signal and yellow for the subsequent uh, next signal is yellow and for the and therefore this is the simulation. Here we mainly use two software, that is Proteus 8.6 Pro and Kyle new version 5. Further, we can upgrade this project by implementing artificial intelligence. From the pictures shown, we can capture or sense the number of cars using motion captures, the intensity of vehicles in a particular lanes. So accordingly, we can produce the traffic signals, and further, in case of any emergency, like say if an ambulance is in a particular lane, uh, after detecting a particular siren, we can give green signal to that particular lane. Finally, thank you.